Hey guys, it's Matt from TruTDG, and today I'm back with you with another video of the e36 drift build. Now you may have noticed that the title has changed from budget to budget, which sadly or luckily, but that is the case, as a build like this, since I am trying to make everything that I touch be fixed and done properly. That gets expensive relatively quickly, so if you guys would like to see a video where I go through all of the costs that have currently went to the car and what's left to get a track ready, let me know in the comments and I could do that for you. Anyways, I'm very happy that you have clicked this video and that you have found the time to watch it. Today we've got quite a bit of work to do. Now this bad girl has seen quite a few years and the valve cover gasket has started leaking and we have to fix that. Now, there has been a bit of a change in the 2021 Latvian Drifting Championship rule set, which states that cars should not be leaking oil. Who would have thought? So this is actually going to get us one step closer to the season, which of course makes me want to smile. So here we've got the gasket, I've got all the other accessories back there, and I think it's time to get cracking. Alright, so I have done a little bit of cleanup. It looks a tad better. All of that was nice and black, so that's cleaned up. I've cleaned all around where the gasket has to go, and I think, yeah, I still have to clean that valve cover, but I'm gonna show that to you guys. So next shot is gonna be me putting the thing back where it's supposed to go. So far, quite happy with how this whole thing is looking. Not great, not terrible, but as I said earlier, for the price, I couldn't have asked for more, could I? What if I put... Yeah, they won't go over. Alright, that's interesting. Okay, so as you'd expect, when working with a car, some things go wrong. This is not an exception. So the issue I was having is that the valve cover gasket wouldn't get into these slots. Yeah, as you can see, there's this little ep.6 right there, and it's not supposed to go into this. So as far as I figured it out, thank you YouTube, this gasket came from an M50, whereas this is an M52, and the gasket is looking a little bit different and has these beautiful ridges. So that's a fuck up. Not my fuck up, but still a fuck up, which of course means that the car obviously is gonna stay like this. I'm glad I've got a garage at home and I did not have to drive this home. I'm trying to teach myself for better, so I'll do a quick little cleanup, then drink some tea and get back to you guys tomorrow. Thank you so far, and see you in a second. Bye bye. Hey guys, we're back, and today is another day. Yesterday I had to stop things due to the gasket that I had. It didn't fit the car. It was from an earlier model, so I made a quick dash to the store, got all that I needed, and this should be relatively simple now. So the procedure is pretty straightforward, just going back from how we got here, starting off with the new gasket, then all the coils, all the bolts go in. I checked out on the internet, they say you have to do this in sort of a cross pattern so I don't break the cover, as it is plastic. Don't think I'll have any issues with that. So I suppose I'll be taking you on my head as we move along, so let's get cracking. And I think we're good. Alright, so I guess that wraps it up for the episode 6 of the E36 budget drift build. The new gasket is in. I'll still do a little bit of cleanup onto the engine bay, but everything went back into its place. All the covers are there, nothing's wobbly. I don't recall snapping anything off or breaking anything, so that's nice. So now just a little bit of a cleanup with the WD-40. And we're off to the next episode, I suppose. So thank you very much for watching this. I'll really appreciate if you press the like button under the video, maybe comment your thoughts or if you got any ideas regarding the car or absolutely find it anything wrong. And if you are into content like this, there's definitely way more of it coming your way. So bash that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.